I spent over 65 hours testing Brevo, Kit, and these 7 other email marketing tools. So in this Brevo versus Kit comparison, I'll break down their key features like the landing page builder, email marketing automations, customer support, and their pricing plans. I'll also score both platforms out of 5 and give you my personal recommendations. So by the end of this video, you'll know exactly which email marketing tool is the best for you. Ease of use. Both platforms are user-friendly, but with different layout approaches. Brevo's platform is fast and easy to navigate. The layout makes sense, the interface is clean, and whether you're brand new to email marketing or you've been doing it for years, you'll feel comfortable right away. The dashboard gives you helpful suggestions for getting started, and there's a smooth campaign creation process that's simple to follow. Kit's platform is also pretty easy to use overall. Most features are straightforward, and the navigation makes sense with features organized by what you want to do, like grow, send, or earn. This goal-based organization helps you find what you need quickly. They also give you a simple 7-step checklist to get started, which is really helpful. However, some features seem quite similar at first glance, so it may take some time to get used to it. The platforms take completely different approaches to email editing. Brevo has a drag-and-drop email editor that is easy to use and runs smoothly. There are 13 blocks you can choose from to create your emails. Even though it's missing some engagement-focused blocks like surveys and countdown timer blocks that other platforms offer, it still gets the job done. Kit offers a visual editor that's fast and easy to understand, but it doesn't provide the drag-and-drop flexibility you find in other platforms. Instead, you add content by typing / or by clicking the plus button. It's different from what most people expect, but once you get used to it, it works well. What impressed me is the range of content you can add, up to 27 different content types, including polls, countdown timers, and even Spotify. Brevo has the advantage in template variety. They provide 48 email templates that all work well on all devices, and their design look professional and appealing. You can upload your own HTML templates and save colors, fonts, and logos in a brand library for consistent branding. Plus, you can save content blocks like footers to reuse across different emails, which saves time. Kit has 15 email templates for you to choose from, but some seem pretty basic compared to what you get with other email marketing providers. If you know some code, you can upload HTML to create your own templates. While you can save templates and content snippet to reuse in other emails, you can't set style globally, so your brand's font and colors automatically apply to all templates. Both platforms offer basic landing page functionality, but neither excel here. Brevo's landing page editor provides an okay selection of 16 simple templates. However, you'll only start having access to use one landing page from the standard plan onwards, which is a real negative. The landing page feels clunky and disconnected from their much smoother email editor. The forms are surprisingly advanced though. You can let subscribers choose which list they want to join and even ask multiple choice questions. However, there are no form templates and you can't A/B test forms. Kit's landing page editor provides a good selection of 53 modern-looking templates, and there's no limit to how many you can create. However, the design modification options are limited, and the usability is poor compared to competitors. You also can't A/B test your landing pages. One good thing is you can add your own domain, even on the free plan. You can also create embedded, pop-up, and slide-in forms with some nice designs to help you build your email list. Brevo wins ease of use with a more modern interface, faster performance, and a smoother campaign creation process. While Kit offers more content types and goal-based navigation, Brevo's clean design and speed makes it easier for most users. Features. Both platforms handle segmentation well, but with different billing models. Brevo lets you create filters that work as segments based on contact information and behavior like email opens and clicks. You can also set up automated workflows to create new mailing lists based on demographics, behavior, and lead scores. The key advantage is unlimited contact storage. You only pay for email sent, not contacts stored. Kit allows you to import subscribers with CSV method or directly from tools like ActiveCampaign and MailChimp, which makes it easy to migrate. The tagging system is really flexible when adding or removing users from campaigns and email sequences. You can also create segments based on opens, clicks, and purchases. Brevo shines with automation. The automation editor lets you set up smart triggered campaigns based on contact data, email engagement, web behavior, and e-commerce activity. They also have lead scoring and the ability to test workflows before launching them, which is much more advanced than you'd expect from a platform at this low price point. Kit's visual automations feature lets you build customized sequences based on specific triggers like subscribing to a form or making a purchase. You can then set actions like adding a tag or subscribing them to sequences. It's missing some more advanced automations though, like those triggered by abandoned carts and lead scores. You also can't split tests within automations. Brevo connects with key platforms like WordPress, WooCommerce, and Shopify, which makes e-commerce workflow much easier. The Zapier integration also opens up connection to hundreds more tools for more flexibility. Kit has 37 native integrations with platforms like Canva, Shopify, and Thinkific, plus another 135 under the legacy integrations. Some integrations require extra step, but Kit covers most creator-focused needs. Kit mainly focuses on email marketing and audience monetization. Brevo, on the other hand, really stands out from competitors here. Unlike most email platforms that only focus on email, Brevo handles email, SMS, WhatsApp, push notification, and live chat all in one place. This makes it perfect for businesses that want to reach customers across multiple channels without juggling different platforms. This is where Kit clearly wins. Brevo doesn't offer built-in tools for selling digital products or creating paid newsletter. You'll need to rely on third-party integrations for e-commerce functionality. They do have some basic e-commerce features for online stores, but it's not their main focus. Kit, on the other hand, lets you sell digital products straight from their platform. Their built-in connections with Stripe and 0% fee is a great option to start selling your digital downloads without paying for another subscription service. They also let you create a paid newsletter, and even within the newsletter, you can activate paid recommendations and earn more money by recommending other creators. Not many other competitors offer these features, and it's another great way to make extra income. Both platforms have different deliverability performance. Kit has a 91.3% deliverability score, which is up there with the very best. Brevo's deliverability rate is decent at 74.7%, which is acceptable but not among the industry leaders. While this means most of your emails will still reach the inbox, it's not as strong as some competitors who achieve rates in the 90s. Brevo provides most of the reports you'll need, including click maps, location tracking, and Google Analytics integration. You can also access conversion data if you connected an e-commerce platform. However, custom reports aren't available, and if you're on the starter plan or lower, your access to data is quite limited. Kit's reporting includes the usual open and click rates, plus bounce rate and an engagement funnel. The Pro plan includes more advanced features like a graph that tracks subscriber sentiment and an insights feature that lets you track customer journeys. However, Kit's reports are nowhere near as advanced as other tools that offer heat maps or custom reports. Brevo wins features with better automation, reporting, multi-channel marketing, and unlimited contact storage. While Kit has slightly better deliverability and monetization options, Brevo's advanced automation, reporting, multi-channel capabilities, and better billing make it the better choice here. Customer support. Kit offers superior migration support. Brevo doesn't offer hands-on migration support, but they provide built-in tools for importing contacts from platforms like MailChimp and ActiveCampaign, which is helpful and doesn't require expensive plans. Kit offers personalized migrations assistance on the Creator and Pro plans. If you have fewer than 5,000 subscribers, they'll help move over subscriber lists, tags, groups, and segments. And for more than 5,000 subscribers, you'll also get help migrating forms, emails, automations, templates, and integrations. This is much more comprehensive than most competitors offer, all for free. Both platforms have mixed reviews, but Brevo performs better overall. Brevo has a solid 4.3 rating with almost 7,000 reviews, which is very good overall. However, the main complaints are about their strict policy and account usage, and sometimes slow support. If they detect any suspicious activity, they won't hesitate to freeze your account, so keep an eye out on these issues. Kit has a low 1.7 rating on Trustpilot, but this is based on only 22 reviews, so it may not be a fair reflection. Most complaints are about customer service and unexpected renewal charges, so keep an eye on your billing. Brevo provides a universal help button that gives you access to their knowledge base or lets you leave a message for support. There's also a Brevo Academy for beginners. Phone support is available to professional and enterprise users Monday through Friday, but they no longer have live chat support on any plans. Kit provides great customer support, even on the free plan. Responses come back fairly quickly and they provide clear explanation. You can contact them via email on the free plan and 24/7 live chat on the Creator and Creator Pro plans, which is very handy. They also provide useful tutorials, even though some could be a bit more detailed. Kit wins customer support with the migration assistance and more responsive support across all plans. Kit offers comprehensive migration help on Creator and Pro plans where Brevo doesn't. While Kit's Trustpilot rating is concerning due to the small sample size, the actual support quality and availability across all plans, including free, makes them the better choice for getting help when you need it. Pricing. Brevo really shines with a unique pricing model. Instead of charging based on the number of contacts like most competitors, Brevo charges based on how many emails you send. The free plan gives you 300 emails per day, equivalent to 9,000 per month, with unlimited contact storage. The starter plan begins at $9 per month for 5,000 emails, with unlimited contacts again, and the standard plan costs $18 per month. Kit offers a free plan for up to 10,000 subscribers, which is the best in the industry. The free plan includes basic features like email campaigns, landing pages, and forms, but you'll need to upgrade to use their advanced automations and monetization features. For 5,000 subscribers, you'll pay $89 per month on the Creator plan, and Creator Pro jumping up to $139 per month. These prices are competitive with other creator-focused platforms. Brevo wins pricing with unlimited contacts and email-based pricing. For a business with 5,000 contacts sending 10,000 emails per month, you'll pay $18 with Brevo versus $89 with Kit. Brevo's model is perfect for big lists and low-frequency senders, while Kit is better for creators who want to monetize their audience and send emails more frequently. I also have a special discount to save you money on both these tools, so check out the links in the description here. Overall, Brevo takes the win. But this was a really tough comparison because both platforms excel in different areas and score very high marks overall. So I would recommend Kit for most small businesses and creators who want great deliverability, easy setup, and built-in monetization. Brevo is perfect for businesses with big lists, multi-channel needs, or those who want to pay only for emails sent. So now that you're ready to get started with Brevo or Kit, I recommend watching this full Brevo tutorial or Kit tutorial next and get started.